that literally left me speechless. I mean, it's not something that has happened for the first time. I cried just for the sake of it. Oh my god. Sweet bike, Ronin. I like, one of my friend has it. Like, I've heard good stuff about it. It just feels like it's a very missed opportunity because it is placed in a very weird segment. It does not know what it's supposed to do, but whatever it does, it's good. And because it does not know what it's supposed to do, people don't really know what to do with this bike. But this is actually a really good bike. It just TVS kind of missed the opportunity to create something better, more purposeful bike, I guess. The engine is pretty sweet. What I've realized that TVS creates good bikes, right? But for some reason they are not able to sell them good enough. Like the typical bikes that they created, TVS Apache का जो सीरीज है, that sells nice. But जो उन्होंने 310 निकाला था naked RTR 310, I think that did not sell well. Like, it's packed with feature, but it disappointed. Anyways, like I think they need to do something with their marketing, maybe, or like product placement. I have been moving RAMs like it's some illegal stuff. I just recently came into a lot of RAM. I got, I think, around 32 plus 16 is 48, and then 8 is 56 gigs of DDR4, and then 16 gig of DDR5. And right now they are all like soaring high. The prices are up like crazy. So I just did kind of Grand Theft RAM because I sold them. I think 16 gig of RAM stick for DDR5 is gone. I sold it, and I sold 16 gig of like 2 sticks, 8 gig each. I sold that also. Got quite good price, to be honest. I sold the 16 gig DDR5 for more than what I actually bought. So sweet profit, I guess. The weather in Delhi has been superb. It rained like last night, and it rained 2 or 3 days back also. So the weather has been very chill. You don't feel the heat that you usually feel in March end or April beginning. So it has been pretty nice, and like it's the perfect time. It is. Oh,
ऐसा मत करो मेरी जान, लाइफ में कुछ अच्छा करो यार.
okay, wow. I mean, ABS breaking by my fingers, crazy. What do you call it? I don't know what to even say. Okay, so that literally left me speechless. I mean, it's not something that has happened for the first time. I'm leaving from my office. From here I'll be going to Chhatarpur Metro, and then from there I'll pick up my wife, and from there we are going to Nehru Place for again some work. And it's just like our schedule is so packed that we don't have time to travel to anywhere, not like even to Leopard Trail or like some very local place that we can go. For the weekends we cannot even do that. So I just feel a little sad that we are missing out on so many things. But like, it's okay. I got to go out just because of office. I'm really like happy about that. I've never been like excited. I'm not someone who gets excited to go to office. That's the least favorite thing. But due to weather, that changed my mood. And the day went well in the office also. It was pretty exciting. I showed my colleagues my video जो मैंने जिसपा वाली record की थी. They were like really shocked to see how much it snowed there. So yeah, so far so good. This intersection is also a crazy one. See, no red light, no nothing, and there are going to be cars and e-rickshaws coming from that direction. who have picked up people from the metro station. I mean, like, it's like when you enter Gurgaon, you are driving on your own risk. You have to be very attentive. Not that I have a very stressful job. I have a very chilled out job. I cry just for the sake of it. Oh my god. I mean, आज कैमरा ऑन करना feels like was worth it. That guy पता नहीं क्या कुछ के चला रहा है भाई, मतलब ऐसे निकाल रहा है जैसे ऑटो चला रहा हो. I see a green light and I kind of want it to be green when I cross it. Let's try and chase it, and I think I got it. 32 freaking seconds. Easy peasy. This road, they built it but it broke. I don't know क्या कर्स है इस रोड पे. Oh, I should have gone from left side. चलो निकल गया. So all the other roads here are built very nicely because Vasant Kunj area is very posh. But this road, for some, they have rebuilt it. ये second time बनी है road and again it has like broken apart. और इतनी ख़राब सड़क तो ख़राब एरिया में भी नहीं मिलेगी आपको दिल्ली के. You cannot actually accelerate because each and every day you will find new pothole here. See, इतना बड़ा खड्डा. Oopsie daisy. See, I did not know like it was there. I saw it in the very होता ना, it was very foreshadowing कि I was just talking about the fact that you cannot accelerate it because you don't know कब pothole आ जाएगा and bam, it was just there. I've been enjoying riding this bike. I think I've been riding this bike for the third time in last 2 months because again marriage, things were very hectic. I did not get a chance to take this bike out because we were using the scooty only to go here and there. And yeah, बारिश के बाद तो क्या मज़ा आ रहा है बाइक चलाने में. As you guys can see, I am wearing that puffer jacket Decathlon वाला, and it is because the air is pretty chill right now. Oh, this bike is fucking case study for me. And this came out, this KTM, it was a big no for me. I did not like this a single bit. But the way it has slowly grown on me is crazy. I used to actually hate the design. Like I was like, it looks superly aggressive, overly aggressive. I don't want that in my bike. But dude, it has grown so much on me. I love this fucking design now. Okay guys, so I'm about to reach my home. I'll see you guys, I'm pretty sure, very soon. And yeah, I'm very excited to do this more often. Hopefully I'll take you guys soon on our next road trip. I don't know where to though, but we'll be planning it soon. If you guys have stuck around so far, do give me a thumbs up, and if you guys liked or if you have any suggestion, do subscribe and let me know. I will try and work on it. बाकी आगे का रास्ता नहीं दिखा रहा मैं तुम्हें.